A grayish and yellowed t-shirt will look like new. You'll see the difference immediately. Place the t-shirt in the sink and squeeze a few centimeters of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste has whitening properties and removes stains and discoloration. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt naturally restores the whiteness of white clothes. Add 1 capful of detergent for whites and pour warm but not boiling water over everything. The water temperature should match the fabric of the t-shirt. Mix it with the detergent and leave it for a few minutes. Then, hand wash the t-shirt in the water. You'll notice the water changing color. Finally, squeeze out the excess water and wash the t-shirt in the washing machine with other white clothes. If you dry the t-shirt in the sun, its rays will whiten it even more. This method for washing white clothes is simple and effective. Toothpaste, salt, and detergent can really whiten your clothes well. You can quickly clean that yellow collar, and your shirt will look as good as new. Pour about a tablespoon of salt into the sink. Add a scoop of detergent for white fabrics. Pour in about a tablespoon of white wine, then add the same amount of vinegar. Fill it all up with warm water. Soak the shirt in this mixture, making sure the collar stays submerged in the solution. Salt, detergent, white wine, and vinegar all have cleaning properties. These products remove stains and whiten the fabric. Leave the shirt for about 15 minutes to let the ingredients work on the stain. Then rinse it thoroughly with cold water to remove the mixture. Wash the shirt according to the care label in the washing machine, using detergent for light-colored clothes. Dry the shirt in fresh air, preferably in the sun. After drying, you won't see any yellow stains on the collar. This simple mixture makes your shirt look brand new. I always do one thing before washing my curtains. They turn out snowy white, just like new. What can you add to the wash to make your curtains white? Look for the right ingredients in your kitchen. First, prepare a basin. Pour in 3 liters of water. To achieve the best results, we'll combine a few tricks into one. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of salt. This effectively removes stains and restores the snowy white color. The next ingredient is citric acid. You only need to add 1 tablespoon. Also add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to the water, which gives excellent results. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. The last surprising ingredient is an aspirin tablet. Add 2 to the basin. Now you can soak the curtains and leave them in the basin for 2 hours. The combination of these ingredients works better than chemical bleach. After this time, put the curtains in the washing machine and wash them. The previously soaked material won't have dirt in its fibers, so the curtains will be snowy white again. Thanks to these balls, my laundry is snow white without bleach. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. You only need a few ingredients to make them yourself. The combination of these ingredients will work wonders for white laundry. First, grate the soap on a coarse grater. It is the cheapest disinfectant. It effectively removes hard-to-clean stains. Transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the bowl with the soap. It is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry agents. It effectively removes stains and discolorations. Then, pour in 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This not only effectively removes stains and whitens materials, but also acts as a disinfectant. Mix the prepared ingredients with your hands and form small balls from the resulting mixture. Press firmly to maintain their shape. Place them on another plate and let them dry a bit. Throw them into the drum every time you wash towels, bedding, or white clothes. After washing, you will notice the difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Add to the dirty clothes, and the result will surprise you. Snow white laundry, which you dream of, is within reach. Socks, t-shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness, and the stains will disappear. It's the perfect way to whiten and remove stains using a homemade method. If the stains haven't come out in the laundry and there are still dirt on the socks, this method will surely help you. It will also work for towels. After all, there shouldn't be any dirt on them. Check your white socks after washing and take out the ones that are still dirty or gray. Do the same with other items. I have a few towels. Some of them still have stains. Prepare a bowl and put all these items in it. Let me know which city you're watching me from today. Pour 2 liters of hot water. If you only have one item, 1 liter will suffice. Take vinegar from the cupboard and measure 1 cup. Pour it into the water with the items. Measure 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Pour it into the bowl. And finally, add 2 denture cleaning tablets. These tablets contain baking soda, citric acid, and other whitening agents. They clean and whiten clothes perfectly. Leave the laundry to soak for an hour. Put it in the washing machine and wash as usual with other white items. There will be no trace of stains. The items will be clean and snow white.
The underwear will regain its snowy white color without the use of chlorine bleach. Pour hot water, very hot, into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to it. This is a commonly known product for its whitening properties. If you don't have baking soda, you can use 3 or 4 packages of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture with soda in it, so it has a weaker effect than soda alone. Also, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. Salt whitens and removes stains. Our grandmothers already used it for this purpose when doing laundry. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, preferably designed for white clothes. Mix everything with a spoon or spatula. Immerse the cotton underwear, soak it thoroughly, and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Take it out of the bowl and put it in the washing machine as usual with other white items and wash it. Delicate lingerie, lace panties, and bras will look like new. You can also whiten them with another home method. In a bowl of warm water, not boiling, add baking soda and laundry detergent for white clothes in the same proportion. It can be 2 tablespoons for a smaller amount of items. Dissolve them well and soak the lingerie. Leave it to soak for about 20 minutes and wash it as usual in the washing machine on the Delicate Fabrics program. After washing, you will notice the difference. The lingerie will be much whiter. How to wash curtains to make them white again? After a few weeks, curtains turn gray and lose their snowy white color, especially curtains hanging in the kitchen and dining room. Not only dust and dirt settle on them, but also grease. If you don't have time to soak them before washing in the machine, prepare a sock. Put 2 tablespoons of salt in it, add a little dishwashing liquid. But not too much, so that there is not too much foam. Throw this salt and dishwashing liquid bundle into the washing machine with the curtains. Add a laundry capsule as usual, and pour a little vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. This will refresh the whiteness and help remove strong stains. Curtains will be like new after washing. However, you will achieve better results if you soak the curtains before washing. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into a bowl of warm water. For a better effect, adding at least 1 tablespoon of baking powder is sufficient. Instead of baking powder, you can use baking soda, depending on what you have in your kitchen cabinet. Soak the curtains in this water, and then wash them as usual in the washing machine. You'll get rid of dirt, and the curtains will be snowy white again after just 1 wash.